Welcome back, guys. It's the morning of day 3, and after 2 days of good weather and good hunting, the river levels have dropped enough for us to get into our original hunting spot. So we're back in the 4-wheel drives, picking our way up the river, assessing it as we go, and crossing in the best looking spots. How awesome is it to be able to access these breathtaking places by 4-wheel drive? Bouncing the Hilux up this river was definitely a highlight for me and something I hope to do a lot more of in the future. After this last big river crossing, it was a relatively easy run up to the new campsite and fresh new hunting prospects. Oh, he just did a roar.
Did he?
Yeah. Oh, they're just, going up, I think it's a hind. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a hind, definitely is one though. See this massive scar here?
This massive one, yes.
Level with that, just go straight across to the next original hind and a yearling. Yeah. This one that bit. Bloody hell. Yeah, it is. Is it day 3? Dad? Have we been here 3 days? Yeah. How's it going, guys? That's the end of day 3. We had a pretty cruisy start to the day and then drove upriver to our original intended spot. I haven't done much talking to the camera today because I think there's a time and a place for that sort of thing, and when you're hanging out with the old boys that are showing you around, that's not the time or the place. So haven't done much talking, but anyways, we had a pretty cool drive up the river. We've just had a glass from where we are now, and seen a few animals, so that's pretty cool. We'll have another look in the morning, and then hopefully we can properly assess the stags and that, and try and go chase a big boy. Yeah, some of the boys went up the hill this morning and shot a stag, so that was a good start to the day. But anyways, we'll have another crack tomorrow, and yeah, see how we go.
Stag, right?
Whereabouts?
Hey Riley, I've got a good stag. So see up here, Riley?
Hang on,
There's two things and like three teardrops.
hang on.
Riley, we've got a stag, look.
Big one.
Yeah. He's just walking across these teardrops here, Riley, see? See these two straight up here, and there's three teardrops?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's just walked across the first teardrop. He's in between the first and second, right at the top. He's just turned side on.
Oh yeah.
See him?
Yeah. That's a little spike away up there.
Okay.
Oh, yep. That's a proper stag, Dad.
Right?
That's a big stag.
I know. I'm on the side of the
Okay, don't lose sight of him.
Where's he going?
He's way up high.
He's going up high.
Should we go raw, see what happens?
I reckon just watch him and see if he digs down. I don't know.
Here he is. We're gonna get up there. How far is it up there? We could actually shoot that from here, I reckon.
How far is it?
Oh, 7:30. Maybe not.
Oh,
That is a stag that I'm looking at, but it's way smaller. Or is it? He's got way more points, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's a 10. He's smaller than this other one, but he's more even.
it's one of the longest ones.
Yeah.
The narrow one here. Right at the bottom to the left.
The bottom of those screws.
I thought he was better down.
No, he wasn't.
So in relation to where the hinds were, has he gone past that little island?
He's so you know the screw that we saw him going across, that little one?
Yeah.
Just go to the top of that and then come across the top of the other little screws, and he's in that bush. He's looking down here. How do you get up there? That's even worse. It's probably still best to go up here, eh? I'd say. Hey? Oh, he's talking to a hind. This is quite cool. They're like kissing. Funny.
Oh, there's the hind. Huh.
Oh, it'd be cool to get that bugger.
Yeah, he's roaring. Look at that. Oh, Riley. Just had his head back, he was roaring hard.
You tell me where yours is.
Okay, so see this, you've got this big scree here.
Heaps of them, yeah.
Yeah. Go along and there's a long one.
Yeah, yeah.
Goes quite long right at the bottom.
Yeah.
Just go to the right.
To the right.
Sorry, to the left, sorry. You'll see a tree. The yearlings are dark in colour.
It's a hind.
Yeah.
They're all hinds, eh?
Yeah. Oh no, there's a stag. Little fella down the bottom.
Is he little? I don't reckon he'll be little if he's got all of them. No, it's a hind.
It's a hind, okay.
I can't see anything. There's some bushes that look kind of like one.
Okay, that might be it. Where's yours?
You still see that? Oh, there's another 4 deer.
Okay.
Some dumb things. That wasn't too bad. Oh, here he comes.
Oh yeah, down the bottom. Yep.
Oh, you big bugger.
Yeah, if she keeps moving, he's going to keep following her. That's what
He'll be right for roaring in.
Oh, you wait till you see that footage of him roaring before, except I did talk over it.
Oh, there's that other stag. Oh, they're gonna meet. He's just about to pop out onto the screen.
Onto the same one?
Look at this, watch this. Watch this, that's the big fella. Look if I got this. Here he is.
That's the 10.
Fuck, should I boost that thing now?
Yeah, 2 hours later you'll get there. He's just
That
grazing.
is the same one, isn't it? He does look pretty good, eh?
Oh yeah, they both
The other
look
one's
pretty good.
definitely wider and bigger, but he's... Oh, they're just... You're just...
Is the other boy still coming up?
Yeah. If I zoom out, I'm just about to get them all in one shot. There they are, see? There's that big boy there.
Oh, is he going up through the bush now?
Looks like he is, yeah.
So they're actually crossing over. There we go.
Oh, you can't hear it, that's a shame. Ooh, go have a fight, you big buggers. Alright, we've had a pretty exciting morning. Just watching a big 8-pointer just come right across this mountainside pretty much. Seen him do some roaring and spotted a nice 10 as well, so yeah, we've been trying to watch the stags until they bed down, which we've kind of done. Like, we watched them and they sort of moved and then hung around in a certain area for ages, but now we've lost sight of them, so we're thinking that they probably bedded down. We just can't see where they've bedded down. But yeah, real nice looking 10, but he's quite a lot smaller than the 8, so he'd be better to leave because, you know, he's a real nice looking deer, but he's got plenty of growing that he can do. So whereas the 8, he's probably not going to get any bigger. He's big and long and wide, but he's only an 8-pointer, so it's probably as good as he's ever going to be. So I think we'll try and get the 8, would be awesome. And yeah, so bloody cool. We're gonna go up here. And then the stags are both up in there, like together. Been roaring at each other all morning, so now pretty exciting. So cool to see as well, just big stags just wandering around. It's pretty cool. I think we'll shoot up there and see what we can do. Alright, we've made it up here and we've just spotted 3 deer up above us. Just hinds by the looks. And I just knocked my gun, which sucks. So hopefully it still shoots straight. It wasn't a hard knock, so hopefully it's all good, but best check it tomorrow. But anyway, we haven't found our stag yet, but we're pretty sure he's still a few guts over, so we just got to try and get over there without spooking these ones down and cocking the whole thing up. Yeah, see how we go. Good kill. Oh well, we cocked that up. We came up the wrong gut, I think, to start with, so we never saw that 8-pointer. And then we were just sidling round into this, into these other guts, and we spooked that 10-pointer out of pretty much where he was when we left. So he was in there, but yeah, I just saw his antlers disappear over the spur, so missed out on both of those buggers so far. But anyway, I think we're going to try get right up the top and have a look down on the other side and see what's over there. And then just make our way back along the top and then drop back down into where the ute is. So that should be all good. The GoPro might die, it's got only 20%, so I'll stop using it until the action shot, hopefully. But yeah, she's toasty up here. Pretty good view as well. Good and steep. Good gill.
Maia, you want to bring him that there?
Dunno. There he is, there he is. Six.
You're a booger when you came on the top because I could see his antlers above the scrub.
Listen, just come with me, I'm gonna just have to take it freestanding. Ready? He's just there. Let's see. Okay, get him on camera, hang on. Oh, bugger me. It's a hind. Bloody hell. Bit of excitement last minute. Just on our way down, and like we were just sneaking along these little guts and stuff. Maia was like getting keen as, winding heaps, and then just as we came over this hill I just saw the stag coming up the tussock. Yeah, managed to sneak up and get him, but pup was an absolute pain in the ass for some reason. I don't know what's wrong with her today, but she's just been playing up like a bloody bit of a shit, to be honest. But anyway, didn't really get it on video because my cameraman, he's a bit of an amateur. Woo!
Didn't go well.
So he couldn't get it to focus, but that's all good. Got it on GoPro, I'm pretty sure, and it was pretty close. So yeah, exciting. We'll go see how big he is. There's that much of a rush. I'm not sure he's that big, but I think he's a good size 8-pointer. So we'll go have a look. Good girl. Shh. Good girl. Keep going. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Oh well, there he is. Big old 8-pointer. He's pretty old. He's like, coronets are like way down on his head. Yeah, absolutely stoked. That's a big old stag. So yeah, it's been bloody good. Yeah, it'd been a long day of not really seeing what we were after and sort of cocking up our original stalk, and then yeah, just on the way down when you're just about giving up, it can just all happen like that. So nah, bloody stoked. Nah, awesome. Camp's just behind us down in the river, so hopefully we can just shoot down this gut. Shouldn't be too hard hopefully, and then yeah, home for some dinner. Nah, awesome day. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Come on, Pat. Good girl. Now I'll get over there so I can dodge any rocks if they come down. Good girl. Have a roll. We're just on our way back to camp, and we're coming down this steep as hill, and Maia started indicating and pointing, and like I just looked over where she was pointing, and there's a real nice young 10-pointer standing there, just a young one. You can quite easily see like he's... Thanks for watching, guys. That's it for this episode, but stay tuned for next time, where we head up the mountain for the last 2 days, set up a fly camp next to a beautiful mountain tarn. For the last day of hunting, we push ourselves up a sketchy razorback ridge to a beautiful hidden basin that turns out to hold the best stag we've seen all trip. So you'll have to tune in next time to see if Dad can raise the bar one more time and cap off an awesome trip to the South Island with another big stag. 6 MOA. It was sort of what am I going to say now? Fuck. Yep, camp's just below us.
Sorry, I'll shut up here.
If you need to focus while it's recording, push that side of the circle. Woo! Shot.
Is it normally fuzzy in the screen?
After